So, hindi ko napansin na naka-hyperlapse pala tong video na to dahil hindi pa ako sanay gumamit nito. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. At yung the night before ng flight namin and mga 9 PM na to. Ang flight namin is 5:25 AM if I remembered correctly. Pina-finalize ko yung mga dadalhin ko at super effective neto. Organizer na nabili ko sa TikTok shop. Isang organizer lang for my 6 to 7 outfits. Then isang organizer for my swimsuit, underwear, and socks. Then one for toiletries and one for sleepers. Space saving talaga tong organizer na to dahil nako-compress niyo yung mga hangin. So 6 days kami sa Vietnam. Bale 2 days sa Hanoi and 3 days sa Sapa and yung pang 6th day is pabalik na ng Manila. First out of country namin to magfe-friends kaya let's G!
We're here at Terminal 3. Ito. Boarding. Ito tayo mag-board eh. Kasi ano na eh. 4 plus na eh. 5 na, lipat na.
Wala pa kaming tulog. Delay yung flight namin.
Tayo.
Sa Clark daw yung aircraft namin dahil sa ulan. Waiting for boarding na lang kami. Dapat 5:10 AM yung flight namin pero 5:20 na. 6:10 AM na, ayun, magbo-board na kami. 1 hour delay siya.
We're here at Vietnam. Hello. Welcome to Vietnam.
We will just wait this one.
It's fine for you. And can you wait in from 3 to 5 minutes?
Yeah, please.
Can you take a seat, please?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, medyo mahirap hanapin yung kainan namin kasi halos same yung nahan nila, tsaka Tanglong sana. Ayun, nilalakad namin. Yung kaming hotel, Grande Collection Hotel. Nilakad namin, mga 5 minutes. Hindi ko sure kung ano doon pa ba. O tanong ulit tayo.
Beef with cheese ako.
Tayo, ito na lang para may iba.
Sige.
Ito, bread with combo. Ito, gusto mo yung parang sandwich type? Ito parang hiwalay. Parang didip mo ata, ish.
Ah,
Ito parang sandwich.
sandwich.
Sandwich type lang.
Sandwich niya.
Ito na, tagisa.
We got our Bani 25 sa hotel namin kakainin. Hindi namin mahanap yung Chakat Hanglong.
A place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you.
We're here at Grande
Time
Collection.
slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on.
Hindi namin mahanap yung Chakat Hanglong. Nag-bani na lang kami. Lunch.
Napantian lang ako sa cheese.
Sarap. Must try talaga. So, ayun, nag-book kami ng Grab. Puntang Mega Grand World. Ano na, 3 p.m. So, late ng 1 hour sa Pinas. Ay, hindi. Ano ba? Advance yung Pinas ng 1 hour. We're in Grab now. Papuntang Mega Grand World. We're here at Mega Grand World. Ang ganda. Parang Europe yung Mega Grand World. Ang ganda. Picture. Puntahan niyo to. Nasa Grab na kami, papuntang Ion Mall. Ulan kasi. Mamimili kami ng mga pasalubong. Coffee, abangan niyo yung haul. Wow, haul. We're here at Ion Mall. Kapag-withdraw na kami sa isang bank, Yeti Bank ba? Wait, kalimutan ko, sorry, pero mas bababa siya compare sa Philippines. Ayun yung re-recommend ko, ipa-flash ko na lang dito. Tapos, ayan, mag-McDo muna kami snack. Kasi nagugutom na kami kasi yung lunch namin or yung snack din kanina is bun. Wow, may Italian espresso. Vietnamese coffee. Here's our order. Ito, yung barbecue chicken sauce na may cheese. Tapos, Vietnamese ice white coffee. Kanya Sprite and original na chicken. Ay, may
With
sauce din
garlic
sa'yo. Garlic soy sauce.
Tapos, same sa kanya with lychee tea. Yun. Let's eat!
Hindi ako mahilig sa chicken, pero hindi mo na.
Masarap yung chicken.
Daming chicken, kaya pumunta na kayo ng Vietnam.
Para magbakdo. Lagi silang may gulay. Try natin itong Vietnamese white mocha. Sarap. Sarap na tapang.
Hindi ka pa tutulungin.
Yes. Mga milk tea. Daming Nescafe. Miso, ano ba to? Ito ang mahal. Ito grounded. Ito hindi. Coffee. Spent 592,300 dong. Puro coffee ang laman. Good morning! It's day 2 of our Hanoi trip. 8 na, 7:50 AM. Kakain na kami ng breakfast.
Kain.
Breakfast na.
Good morning! We're currently at Grab. Papunta kami Skylab Observation Deck. It's 10:37 AM. 15 minutes by car lang siya papunta. We're here! We're in the elevator. Ang taas. 65. We're here at Skylab Observation Deck. We paid via Klook, 500 plus. Nakalimutan ko yung exact. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng view. Pang 65th floor to. Ayan.
p.m. and sa Grab na ulit kami, papunta kaming bookstore at may spiral staircase. Mamaya na lang kami kakain. Hindi pa naman kami gutom. Baka papasok nga. Ayun, may araw. Nasak na.
Punta na. Maganda.
Pagod ng rice.
Pero na lang.
Yeah.
Ay, sorry.
Không phải là cô.
Oo. Yung 6th floor pala. 6th floor is open area. Umuulan kanina. Hindi na kami nunta doon.
Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Papunta na kami sa mga souvenir shop. Actually, marami na sa labas dito. Ayan. Super lapit lang pala. Puntahan nyo to, souvenir shop, Hangbe. Ayan. Maraming stuff dito and bibigay sila ng freebies. For Filipinos, love niya ang mga Filipinos.
Same face.
Yay. Hi.
Me?
Yeah. Hi.
My name is Ha.
Ha, Ma'am Ha, yes, we saw you.
You have a look inside, okay?
Sabi niya 120,000.
Bumili lang kami ng egg coffee for take-out. Tapos namali kami ng mga pasalubong. Half done and well done.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
Fall around, I just can't go without.